always construction at the exit you gotta get off, and a big accident on the other side. The Bell Parkway is becoming a single lane highway, so no more construction. Like another 3 years, this place will be done. Let's zoom on in. I'm at the side of this store. To the island I go next time. You just can't close down the store and build it back up. They gotta work while it's up. Yep.
We're gonna have...
There's a horse in a trailer. Right there. Horse is in the back of the trailer. There they are.